Boom, binakla. When it comes to these kinds of decisions, you do not let children to choose gender, as you do not let them drink alcohol, smoke cigarettes, do drugs. Diba? These children do not know their identity yet, and they are exploring. Ngayon, kung babaklain mo yung bata, 'di ba? Of course, yung tingin nila sa sarili nila would go through doon sa pag-tolerate nyo ng kung ano yung tingin nila sa sarili nila. And yung ganyang bata, malawak yung imagination niya. 'Di ba? Pwede silang maging Power Rangers, pwede silang maging opposite sex, pwede silang maging dinosaur, so on and so forth. But you do not let them be that imagination. Those are used for playing. Okay? Not for solidifying their identity doon sa maling ideology. Gets nyo ba? Huwag nyo nang babaklain yung mga bata. Because there's a study na pag pinabayaan mo lang ang isang batang nalilito sa gender nila at hindi mo ni-reinforce yung sa tingin nilang gender nila, magre-revert yung choice nila or yung gender nila sa physical or sa biological gender nila. 'Di ba? Walang bullshit na trans na 'yan. Walang bullshit na, 'di ba? And if ever they came into right age with the right mind, 'di ba? That's the time that they could decide. Hindi yung bata pa lang babaklain mo na. Diyan tayo magkakaproblema. Gets? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.